Good day, partners. I'm here once again to introduce some new features that we have added to our banking platform. This is MP1 Digital software. Click on your sidebar menu. When you click on your sidebar menu, you have a new features that we have added to our banking platform. Like I said, navigate straight to accounts section. You could see group account now. What this means is now our users can now do group SUSU. You click on the group account, you can see there are some few group accounts over here. Creating this group is not difficult. Just hit on create new group and then name the group, select the group members, and then select the account type for the groups as usual. The opening balance for the group, you enter it, and then you selected the field officer that brought this group to you. Now, description of the group, we made it drop down so that you can select from any of this. Is it driver association group? Is it market women association? Is it tailors and seamstress? Is it hairdressers and beauticians? Is it teachers welfare? Is it traders and shop owners? Is it mason and carpentries? You can just select any of this description for this group and then you save it. You are cool to go. You have created a group successfully. Now this group, you can do deposit and debit the group. In doing the deposit and debit, you go to transaction and then you go to group transaction. So this group has its own transaction. Now, to debit or credit the group, you select the group. So the groups only will pop up here. They don't mix with your account. They have their own system. So they will pop up here. Now let's say you are crediting Drivers Association group. You select the group. Their balances will pop up. Initial balance will pop up. Then the amount you are crediting, you enter it there. Boom. You select the type. Is it debit or withdrawal? Deposit or withdrawal? You select. And then here you are cool to go. You enter the transaction description. You are cool to go. That is one section. We also introduce a management system. When you go to your staff activity, now managers are also having system whereby they can use to keep their report. You can see manager entering report, and then you can also see manager entries. So manager entries is like this. You select your name as the manager, your cash at hand for the day, your deposit you collected for the day, your cash you went and take from the bank, your cash you sent to the bank, your total withdrawal, your total expenses for the day, your total commission earned for the day, total passbook sales for the day, and then you submit. That is your report, as simple as that. Now, all this that you are doing has a report that you can fetch out later from the report menu. We also have one wonderful section that we call the analytics. This analytics talks about whatever you are doing in the system from day one. So you can see your total deposit, total withdrawal, transfer, commission, expenses, cash at hand, cash to bank, cash from bank, cash at bank, your net profit and loss, your net portfolio. That talks about the total customers money sitting with you, your customers that you have, your female, your male, your total staff, your investment, your loans, your income, your assets, your group accounts, and then your top 20 clients with their balances, your average client balance, all female their balances, all male their balances, and your other income. These things are added because your regulator or the regulator, which is BOG, requires all this information from you, and we have made it so simple for you. Once you click on your analytics report or your analytics dashboard, it brings you here for you to fetch all this information peacefully without having any struggling. Now, when you go down to the report, we also introduce a financial report that talks about mostly the SUSU people. You have been sending your monthly report to GASCA. Now, you just generate it from here, boom. Then you send a copy to GASCA. It's so easy. You could see here, filter in the date, and then you hit on generate, boom. That is it. MP1 Digital. We say together we grow. Thank you so much. If you have any anything to ask, call us and we attend to you.